Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you, and more specifically to tell you, how to check the tire pressure on a Honda CR-V, just like the one that I'm in right now. And this will be a full tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. So basically, I'm in my 2017 Honda CR-V, and on this CR-V, you can't check the tire pressure. You can see if a tire is low through the TPMS system, the tire pressure monitoring system, but you can't check the specific number of PSI, the specific inflation level of a specific tire, okay? It won't tell you that, but on the newer CR-Vs, you can, and I'm gonna tell you how to do it on the newer CR-Vs, okay? So basically, on your steering wheel, you're gonna have, these navigation buttons, and essentially, the navigation buttons are gonna allow you to figure out, and I'll show you in a moment on my steering wheel. It won't work on my car, but I'll show you what I would do if I was in a newer CR-V, which I might be. I don't think our next vehicle is gonna be our CR-V, because we have 4 young kids, so we can't fit them all in the CR-V. We have a van, but we can't fit them all in a CR-V, but you never know. Who knows? Anyways, we might end up getting a CR-V because we can fit everyone in the van, so we might end up getting a newer CR-V as our next vehicle. I think I'm gonna get something bigger, to be honest with you, like more like an Expedition or a Suburban or a Tahoe, but you never know. I don't know until I test drive the cars what I'm gonna like with my wife. Obviously, it's her decision basically at the end of the day. Anyways, essentially, you're going to go to the menu using the navigation on the steering wheel, on the left side of the steering wheel, and you're going to select the maintenance option. Okay, when you've selected the maintenance option, you're going to select tire pressure. Okay, and it's going to display the tire pressure of all 4 tires on your dashboard. Okay, and that's basically it. So I'll show you over here. Okay, give me a moment. I'm going to turn the camera around. I got my little notes over here. I have notes for every video that I make, believe it or not. So you're going to use these little navigations over here, and essentially you're going to push this button over here, or it might look like a home button. It might look like a house. You're going to push this button, and you're going to scroll until you get to maintenance, and you're going to push enter at the maintenance option. Okay. Once you are in the maintenance option, you're going to scroll to tire pressure, and you're going to push enter. Or okay, and you're gonna then open up the tire pressure, and then essentially on your dashboard it's just gonna show you what the tire pressure for each of the 4 tires is. And that's basically it. That's how to check the tire pressure on a CR-V. Like I said, I'm in my 2017 CR-V. This does not have that option, but newer vehicles do. My 2022 Honda Odyssey that we have as our van, I'm 99% sure I've seen it on the dashboard at some point, so I'm pretty sure that does display the tire pressure in the newer Honda. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I have it in my Odyssey van. And that's basically it. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. And I film my videos in advance, so you're gonna see this probably a year roughly, or maybe not a year, because this will be coming out in January, February actually. So you'll see this, like, I'm filming this in October, so a few months after I filmed it, and I film at least 20 videos at a time. So like for the next 20-ish videos that you see, every second video, because I have a weird schedule. Anyways, for the 20 videos that I'm filming today, I'm gonna probably sound sick for all 20 videos, but in reality, I'm only sick for 1 day. But for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you might end up hearing me be sick. So anyways, it's just interesting the perception of people get from my videos compared to like what's the reality, is that I'm filming all these in a single day. Anyways, that's how to check the tire pressure in a CR-V. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Tried to keep it relatively short and sweet. And sorry that I couldn't actually show you how to do it, but this vehicle doesn't have it, so I just had to kind of explain it to you. Anyways, if you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.